Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a template on DocuSign. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on DocuSign.com and then select templates. Now select create template option, which is on your top left corner. Now you need to enter here the template name, enter here the template description. Now scroll down, select upload button to add documents, and then again scroll down. Now you need to enter here the role, here name, here the email address of your recipient, and after that you need to add here the email subject and then add here the email message. And after filling all of these details, you just need to select on this save and close button and then select on next. And after doing that, you guys can successfully create your own template on DocuSign. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.